Bhagavad Gita, second chapter, 41 sloka. Vyavasa Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Dvitiya Adhyayah Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Vyavasayatmika Buddhihi Ekeha Kurunandana Bahushakha Hyanantascha Buddhayo Vyavasayinam Yamimam Pushpitam Vacham Pravadantya Vipashchitaha Vedavadarata Partha Nanyadastiti Vadinaha Kamatmanasvarga Paraha Janma Karma Phalapradam Kriya Vishesha Bhogaishvarya Gatim Prati Bhogaishvarya Prasaktanam Dayaparita Chetasam Vyavasayatmika Buddhihi Samadho na vidheyate Traigunya Vishaya Vedaha Nistraigunyo Bhavarjuna Nirdvandvo Nitya Sattvasthaha Niryogakshema Atmavan Yavan Artha Udapane Sarvata Samplutodake Tavan Sarveshu Vedeshu Brahmanasya Vijanataha Karmanyevadhikaraste Ma Phaleshu Kadachanam Ma Karma Phalaheturbhuhu Ma Te Sangastva Karmani Yogasthah Kuru Karmani Sangam Tyaktva Dhananjaya Siddhya Siddhyo Samo Bhutva Samatvam Yoga Uchyate Durena Hyavaram Karma Buddhi Yoga Dhananjaya Buddhau Sharanamanvichha Kripana Phalahetavaha Buddhi Yukto Jahatiha Ubhe Sukrita Duskrite Tasmad Yogaya Yujyasva Yoga Karma Sukaushalam. So, up to that is 50. Now, we will learn from verse number 51, second chapter, 51. Karmajam buddhi yuktahi Karmajam buddhi yuktahi Phalantyaktvā manishinaha Phalantyaktvā manishinaha Janma bandha vinirmuktaha Janma bandha vinirmuktaha Padangacchantyanāmayam Padangacchantyanāmayam. So we will chant twice. Karmajam buddhi yuktahi Phalantyaktvā manishinaha Janma bandha vinirmuktaha padam gacchantyanamyam. Once again, karmajam buddhi yuktahi phalam tyaktva manishinaha janma bandha vinirmuktaha padam gacchantyanamyam. Now 52. Clear to everyone else? Thank you. Yada te moha kalilam Yada te moha kalilam buddhir vyatitarishyati tada gantasi nirvedam Shrotavyasya shrutasya cha. Together. Yada te moha kalilam buddhir vyatitarishyati tada gantasi nirvedam Shrotavyasya shrutasya cha. Once again. Yada te moha kalilam buddhir vyatitarishyati tada gantasi nirvedam Shrotavyasya shrutasya cha. 53. 52 is clear to everyone else? Okay. Agarwal ji, Jetli ji, Nikita, Usha, Swadeshi. Okay. 53. Shruti vipratipannate yada sthasyati nischala samadhavachala buddhihi. After buddhi, please put visarga, and the visarga's pronunciation will be ha, and ha will take the previous swara, that is e. Samadhavachala buddhihi tada yogamavapsyasi. Clear? So, together. Shruti vipratipannate yada sthasyati nischala samadhavachala buddhihi tada yogamavapsyasi. Once more. Shruti vipratipannate yada sthasyati nischala samadhavachala buddhihi tada yogamavapsyasi. Next, 54. 53 is clear to everyone else? Thank you. Arjuna uvacha. This is very important portion of Bhagavad Gita is getting started. And it is Jivan Mukti Lakshana, means the essence of whole Vedanta, what result, why we should study Vedanta. That answer is there. Sthita prajnasya ka bhasha स्थितप्रज्ञस्य का भाषा समाधिस्थस्य केशव समाधिस्थस्य केशव स्थितधिः स्थितधिः क्रीं प्रभाषेत. This is the pronunciation, okay? स्थितधिः क्रीं प्रभाषेत किमासीत व्रजेत किम् किमासीत व्रजेत किम्. You should memorize this question also. This is a question asked by Arjuna, and the answers given by Bhagavan, at least 55 and 56. Please remember, memorize, and remember every day, every night, at least before going to sleep and after waking up. Please. So let's together. स्थितप्रज्ञस्य का भाषा समाधिस्थस्य केशव स्थितधिः किं प्रभाषेत किमासीत व्रजेत किम्. स्थितप्रज्ञस्य का भाषा समाधिस्थस्य केशव स्थितधिः किं प्रभाषेत किमासीत व्रजेत किम्. Now Bhagavan's extraordinary answer, unparalleled. You will never get it in any scripture. Prajahati yada kaman Prajahati yada kaman Sarvan parthamanogataan Sarvan parthamanogataan Atmanyevatmana tushtaha Atmanyevatmana tushtaha Sthitaprajnastadochyate Sthitaprajnastadochyate. Sri Bhagavan together. Prajahati yada kaman sarvan parthamanogataan Atmanyevatmana tushtaha Sthitaprajnastadochyate. Once more. Sri Bhagavan Prajahate yada kaman sarvan parthamanogataan Atmanyevatmana tushtaha sthita prajnastadochyate. Beautiful sloka, beautiful. And the next one also. Very, very important in our life.
Swamiji, I had a question. Can I ask, please, right now?
Yes.
Swamiji, how do we say this gear? Usually in Hindi, we say pragyas, we would have said, but you are pronouncing it something like pragnyas.
Yes. The thing is, you have to know the construction of the letter. It's a conjunct consonant. So first it is ja, cha, cha, ja, the third letter of cha varga. Okay, ja, half ja, and ya.
Okay.
So actual pronunciation is prajna, prajna.
Prajna.
Not ga. Just hear, listen carefully. Sthita prajnasya. Sthita prajnasya. So technically it is little bit difficult. So I have heard one seminar in Kashi regarding this pronunciation. So some panditas of Sanskrit, they are all revered too much there. So they told that prajna, gna also can be pronounced. Okay. So sthita prajna also correct, and sthita prajna. Clear? Like jnanam or jnanam. See, when I am correctly pronouncing, it hears like ga I am using, but no, I am using ja. Jnanam, jnanam. Okay. So nya will be there, ja will be there. So it's a combined. For your convenience, you can use gya, but not gyanam, not ga. You are exempted only if you utter ga along with nya, jnanam. Okay, but the actual pronunciation is jnanam. Clear? So let's start second chapter 56, and it's a very important sloka. Any other question do you have? Thank you. So the thing is, dukkeshu, actually dukkeshu anudvignamanaha. So all of you learn Sanskrit grammar. So u and a, wa, it becomes wa. Dukkeshvanudvignamanaha. Dukkeshvanudvignamanaha. Clear? Dukkheshva. Jetli ji, don't write the splitting word. You will be confused. I just for your clarification I told. But it's as it is. Please try to pronounce it. Dukkheshvanudvignamanaha. Sukheshu vigatasprihaha. Sukheshu vigatasprihaha. Vitaragabhayakrodhaha. Vitaragabhayakrodhaha. Sthitadhirmuniruchyate. Sthitadhirmuniruchyate. It's my humble request to all of you. Please memorize at least these 2 lines for your rest of your life. Okay. That this is our aim, you know. Suppose you want to come to the mission. So mission is your target point. Then you will Google it. How will you go? Through Minto Park, Sharad Bose Road, or via Vegbagan. The way you will choose. But you have to be very clear about your target. This is your target in your life, whole life. Maybe you are a householder, maybe you are a brahmachari, maybe you are a sannyasi, maybe you are a banaprasthi, whoever else. Okay. First memorize, then by the grace of God, you will get your appropriate guru to teach you the meaning of Bhagavad Gita. Dukkeshvanudvignamanaha. Dukkeshvanudvignamanaha. Sukheshu vigatasprihaha. Sukheshu vigatasprihaha. Vitaragabhayakrodhaha. क्रोधः वीतरागभयक्रोधः स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते. Together we will chant. दुःखेष्वनुद्विग्नमनाः सुखेषु विगतस्पृहः वीतरागभयक्रोधः स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते. Once more. दुःखेष्वनुद्विग्नमनाः सुखेषु विगतस्पृहः वीतरागभयक्रोधः स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Thank you. It's an undoubted truth. Now 57. Yes, sarva. Yes. Okay, Visarga is there. So Visarga will take Sakara pronunciation. Yes, sarvatran avisnehaha. Please split it after sneha. Please put Visarga. Okay. Yes, sarvatran avisnehaha. See, the pronunciation is sarvatra navisneha. So I am technically doing avisneha. I think you are clear. So, but you have to be very prompt, you know. Yes, sarvatra navisneha. Tat tat prapya shubha shubham. Tat tat prapya shubha shubham. Clear? Yes, sarvatra navisneha. Tat tat prapya shubha shubham. Nabhinandati nadveshti. Nabhinandati nadveshti. Tasya prajna pratisthita. Tasya prajna pratisthita. Yes, sarvatra navisneha. Tat tat prapya shubha shubham. Nabhinandati nadveshti. Tasya prajna pratisthita. Once more. Yes, sarvatra navisneha. Tat tat prapya shubha shubham. Nabhinandati nadveshti. Tasya prajna pratisthita. Clear? Thank you. 58. Yada samharate chayam. ये बलवंत वाला चाय नहीं. Chayam is cha ayam. Okay. There is no connection with the chai. Yada, because on that time there was no tea. Yada samharate chayam. Yada samharate chayam. Guramanganiva sarvashaha. Ghosh Babu, second chapter, 58 sloka. Bhagavad Gita. Yada samharate chayam. Yada samharate chayam. Kurmanganiva sarvashaha. Kurmanganiva sarvashaha. Indriyani indriyarthebhyah. Indriyani indriyarthebhyah. Indriyarthebhyastasya is there. So please split it, make it bhyaha. Bhya, then put visarga. Indriyanindriyarthebhyaha. Then cut the sakara half sa. It will be tasya prajna pratishthit. Sorry. Oh yes. Tasya prajna pratisthita. Tasya prajna pratisthita. Together. Yada samharate chayam kurmanganeva sarvashah indriyanindriyarthebhyah tasya prajna pratisthita. Once more. Yada samharate chayam kurmanganeva sarvashah indriyanindriyarthebhyah tasya prajna pratisthita. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Now 59th sloka. Vishaya vinivartante. Vishaya vinivartante. Niraharasya dehinaha. Niraharasya dehinaha. Rasavarjam rasopyasya. Rasavarjam rasopyasya. Parandrishtva nivartate. Parandrishtva nivartate. Clear? Together. Vishaya vinivartante. Niraharasya dehinaha. Rasavarjam rasopyasya. Param drishtva nivartate. Once more. Vishaya vinivartante. Niraharasya dehinaha. Rasavarjam rasopyasya. Param drishtva nivartate. Now 60th. Yatato hyapi kaunteya. Yatato hyapi kaunteya. Kaunteya. Yatato hyapi kaunteya. Purushasya vipaschitaha. Purushasya vipaschitaha. Indriyani pramathini. Indriyani pramathini. Haranti prasavam manaha. Haranti prasavam manaha. For Bengali spoken student, the second quarter of the mantra is very difficult. Okay. There are three shakara, sakara, shakara. Okay. Purusha sya vipaschitaha. Murdhana sha, danta sa, talabhya sha. Purushasya vipaschitaha. Clear? Together. Yatato hyapi kaunteya. Purushasya vipaschitaha. Indriyani pramathini. Haranti prasavam manaha. Sorry. यततो ह्यपि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य विपश्चितः इन्द्रियाणि प्रमाथीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः. Clear? May I see the other three students' face? Usha ji, Ghosh Babu, and Dr. Shreyasi Bandyopadhyay. We will chant together. Usha ji and Dr. Shreyasi. Okay. Maybe they are not in front of the computer. Ghosh Babu, keep it on. We will chant together. For a long time, I have not seen you. Okay. So, we will chant from 51. Okay. Together. Karmajam buddhi yukta hi phalam tyaktva manishinaha janma bandha vinirmuktaha padam gacchantyanāmayam yada te moha kalilam buddhirvyatitarishyati tada gantasi nirvedam श्रोतव्यस्य श्रुतस्य च श्रुति विप्रतिपन्नाते यदा स्थास्यति निश्चला समाधावचला बुद्धिः तदा योगमवाप्स्यसि. अर्जुन उवाच स्थितप्रज्ञस्य का भाषा समाधिस्थस्य केशव स्थितधिः किं प्रभाषेत किमासीत व्रजेत किम्. श्रीभगवानुवाच प्रजहाति यदा कामान् सर्वान् पार्थमनोगतान् आत्मन्येवात्मना तुष्टः स्थितप्रज्ञस्तदोच्यते दुःखेष्वनुद्विग्नमनाः सुखेषु विगतस्पृहः वीतरागभयक्रोधः स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते यः सर्वत्रानभिस्नेहः तत्तत्प्राप्य शुभाशुभम् नाभिनन्दति न द्वेष्टि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता विषया विनिवर्तन्ते निराहारस्य देहिनः रसवर्जं रसोऽप्यस्य परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते यततो ह्यपि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य विपश्चितः इन्द्रियाणि प्रमाथीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः. हरिः ओम. ओम